Precise. Exclusive. Innovative. Outstanding. World map. Hi, Kickstarter's best team ever. Enjoy the Wood is happy to be back with a new, upgraded idea. In 2018, we successfully launched our first project, which is more than $100,000, the Wooden World Map. It was in great demand. We received hundreds of feedback. Since then, and thanks to your support, we have turned from a small idea into a large-scale manufacturer. You guys have really inspired us, and thanks to the huge demand, we have created an even more amazing World Map 2.0. And here we are. It is even more fantastic and creative than before. It's easy to install. Now, it has 3 layers for different countries. It is presented in 4 colors. A true 3D design with detailed cutting accuracy, using high-quality technology and environmentally friendly materials. 3 sizes for any home spaces from 100 to 200 centimeters. We are also working on creating the app. One of its functions will be the ability to check, try on, and fit a map on the wall with it. Only your support will help us grow and develop our ideas even more. We would be deeply thankful for your support and sharing.